Hey, what's up everybody? Before we get into today's video, I just want some feedback. I changed the look of the video, I got a spontaneous thought, and I just wanted to change some things up. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And also, thank you for 2,000 subscribers, everybody. I really appreciate it. Love you guys, and enjoy the video. Alphas, what's poppin'? Continuing on with our spree of XG videos. This one is first Howling Tour, behind the scenes, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Beijing. I have not checked out, I've only checked out the first Howling landing videos in America. So I know they have the ones like in Osaka and I think Tokyo, so if you guys want me to react to those as well, I will. Obviously, like, it's probably going to be some of the same music, but it's like you don't necessarily watch these behind the scenes for the music. You want to see behind the scenes. We know the songs, we know the choreography, but it's more about checking out the behind the scenes and see how they prepared for each show, because each show is going to be different, and everything like that. So if you guys want me to check those out as well, please let me know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe as always, and let's get into it. It's a little bit longer, 27 minutes, but it's all good. Oh, I need CCs.
こんなリアルな人だと可愛く描かったどうしようジュリンファンに怒られるよ宇宙人ファンに怒られるよおはようございます広い
You know what's so cool is I like the fact that Hinata is into art and stuff like that, and Saphira is starting to pick up art. She's starting really getting into the arts and crafts and drawing and everything like that. So I'm gonna try to feed into that and see if that's something she wants to get into, or like take serious. Yeah, she definitely has that Beyonce look right there. Turn it down, turn it down. Ooh. She just has such a good voice. I promise, man. It sounds so good.
Welcome to the show.
I wonder how many days in advance they have to come to like really truly set up, because there's no way that they do this like in one day, right? Like this, I feel like they make me come like 2 or 3 days before the show, and they come in, I guess, like multiple days to practice and rehearse and stuff. I don't know why that's reminding me. Oh god, dude. I don't know why that's reminding me of MJ. I think it was at the Super Bowl where he came out the ground and they kind of launched his ass in the air, and he came down and he just stood there with a serious face and just stood there, and people were going crazy for him for like 5 minutes straight, bro. I remember seeing like the production crew was like, bro, what are you doing? Why are you holding this up? Let's go. But when you do that, you're on MJ's time, bro. You're not on y'all time. You're on MJ's time. If that boy want to stand there for 10 minutes and look off into the distance while everyone just cries over his aura, his presence, he's gonna be like, I'm gonna let this ride out. It had nothing to do with XG, but I don't know why that lift just reminded me of that.
私が歌ってる時にカメラが1回に1まで1で1回このままクロスしていつも通りの Ooh, the way we shout so
See, that's what I'm saying, man. Like, God, they literally like. Oh God. Man, no, they literally like. They do this stuff themselves, man. They kind of like do all the camera, not the camera work, but you guys know what I mean. They wait. Did she do a solo of that song? I'm gonna have to look for that. That's one of my favorite songs from Warren Hill.
Something ain't right, but tonight.
Look at that arena. That's in Shanghai. That looks nothing like the Mercedes-Benz Arena in New Orleans at all. I could be getting, I'm pretty sure Mercedes-Benz, or is that in Atlanta? I can't remember. But dude, that looks like a UFO. That looks like a UFO. That stadium is fire, bro.
Something ain't right, but tonight, something is always right.
Hinata, I love you.
Coconut, I love you.
Got some Usher playing in the background.
はい、ジュリアさん、一緒にイルカショーをやります。せーの、はい、皆さんイルカショーへようこそ。こちらはですね、どうぞ通ってください。猫さん通ります。猫さん今日も可愛い。アザラシちゃん通ります。アザラシちゃん、ちょっと今日新人です。遅いな。新人です。ココちゃん、頑張るよ。
I wonder how long it took them to get to the point to where they're so, because they don't even look like they're worried about anything. Like they've been doing this for so long that they're like, we're not nervous, we're not, you know, it's just, this is just what we do.
私イルカじゃないよ。私イルカのお世話するこのジャンプの挨拶をしなきゃダメですよ。自分がジャンプしてどうすんの？はい、ごめんなさい。何これ？コンビの最後の挨拶ね。終わりのやつ。締めです。顔でも。
お願いします。잘 부탁드립니다.
今日みんな近場で練習中なので、今日はまずやりましょう。それはファイティー。
It's crazy. Even like right before they go on stage and stuff. Oh, look at that. I'm excited. I cannot wait till I can go to one of their concerts, dude. Oh yeah, go hard every day. Look at Jesus Christ, man. I mean, bro, this just goes back to tippy toes, bro. Like, look how many, everyone has their phones out, bro. They're living life through a phone, bro, through a phone screen. Like, put your phone down and like experience it with your own eyes, bro, instead of through your phone. Like, not everybody, there's some people that looks like they don't have it up, but like, dude, just come on, man. You're not actually experiencing the damn concert, bro. Like, cause you're looking at it through a screen. You might as well be doing what I'm doing here, which is not actually experiencing the. Look at this, bro. This is crazy, bro. This has nothing to do. I'm just saying, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, this right here, this picture right here, can literally be a part of Tippy Toes. Literally be a part of Tippy Toes, bro. I see one person here. This person right here. This person. Nope, she got her phone up too. This person right here is the only person that I see. Oh, buddy down here don't have his up. But and this lady right here. Okay, so not everybody, but like 90% of the people over here has their phones up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people out of what do we think is maybe 40 people here? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Put your phone down and experience the concert with your own eyes, bro. That just reminds me so much of Tippy Toes. Is crazy. Look at that, bro. Oh my God. Okay. Please give me that link. I need to hear that solo. I mean, I need to hear that cover, bro. I love that song, bro. I absolutely love that song. And do you see, like, all their eyes are on their phone screen, bro? They're not looking at Chisa. They're not looking at the girls. They're looking at their phone. I don't know. I don't know why that bugs me, but that just bugs me because it's like, dude, you pay all this money to go to a concert and you're not fully experiencing it because you're looking at it through a screen, which you could just do at home on YouTube.
ジュリンの好きなシーンはエイミちゃんが私の夢はアーティストになることなので自分で自分の好きな夢を追わないといけないのでっていうところが好きなシーンです。ね、今ジュリンのこと大好き。
I'm still trying to figure out who's more of a jokester now because I'm seeing so many videos of like Harvey just joking around. So is it Harvey or is it Maya? Which one? Because both of them seem to just joke around like crazy.
First World Tour, the first How landing at Shanghai. Ready? 5, 4, 3. The energy you guys bring every time we see you is even
Still one of the best songs they got, dude. Woke Up is so good. I need to go back and watch that video, dude. I haven't watched it in a while. Yep, go ahead, get that stretch in there. No cramps today. What they're about to do. I ain't gonna lie, but that arena is crazy, dude. The way it looks is crazy, bro. Next stop, Chengdu. Chengdu.
最初のさ、どっかでやっちゃったよね。足でもここ痛かったもんね。
She's got a concussion. You gotta help her.
楽な体勢になって、多分これは一回筋肉でほぐしてもらって、先生にほぐしてもらってから。
Oh, no, so okay. So she really does this fucking cramps. Gotta take care of her. Look at him. I need a masseuse in here.
여자 스태프는 한 명만 알려주시겠어요? 지금은
야바이. It's Harvey.
손을 여기 이렇게 넣어서
希望他们
们身体健康，快乐最重要。
大好き、愛してる。
希望他们开开心心的，一直身体最重要，健康，然后朝着自己的目标一直发展吧。
Are you okay, Harvey?
I'm okay.
いいじゃん。
I wonder how long they work. I wonder how long they worked on their signatures. That's got to be a big thing. Chengdu. I was struggling with it too. Don't worry. See, like I said, but she be rubbing her own head. Whoa.
Maya.
Right.
Maya. なやめや兄弟。なんかいそう。
Happy birthday again, Maya.
Let's go. Let's go. とか言ってかわいい。何？あいのわちゃん。いつも可愛いとか。
A little raccoon.
ダメ。あなたが可愛い。こちゃこちゃ。
Those things are devilish, bro. Raccoons are devilish. I caught a couple of them in my attic, dude. No, I don't like those things. Make sure you're hydrated.
前に行かない。これやって若干後ろでここら辺で終わる。調節するときあるじゃん。後ろ行ってこれだけ守った方がいいと思う。思ったよりも広くてびっくりして。
Wait, what's this? What's this? Arena.
じゃあこの3人でダンス終わってる気。いいよ。めっちゃいいじゃん。じゃんけんしよう。負けた人だ。じゃんけんぽい。よし。じゃんけんぽい。しかも一番難しいので頑張ります。チリンとエイミのツーショット撮ってくれる。
More food. It's making me hungry, dude.
すごいカメラ。
どうだろうね。ツアーはいいと思う。好きだけど。なんか結構前回の時ジャストスタンドアップやった時なんかこういう感じだったからそうなのかなと思って。みんなはどう？全然いい。持ち曲ではないけどみたいな。そうだね。一応 XG の曲にしとくか。とりあえずじゃあ今日はミーターウィダーチューで。ミーターウィダーチューになりましたので。いやありがとうマジで。
They literally manage themselves. Yeah, there you go. Make sure.
筋的な問題なの。
Yeah.
今だんだん良くなってるんです
Gotta make
け
sure
ど、
that's.
今日もちょっと怪我しないように今めっちゃやってもらってます。痛い。大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。
Man, those must be like the VIP people, right? That's crazy. Harvey really is like the tallest. You can almost tell right there.
我爱你 ，I love you，爱してる。加油！
加油！
我永远爱你们。走花路吧。XG fighting。
Nice bro. Yeah. Thank you. You guys so stylish. What's your favorite song? Woke Up. Woke Up. Yeah. 谢谢 Absolutely. Thank you. Enjoy the show. Thank you. See you tonight. See you tonight. Yeah. See you soon. Have a good show. Yeah.
Was that like a star, like another star? Like in China or something? I promise, they're photographers, they're freaking choreographers, they're everything. They didn't tell us what arena this was. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. I'm telling you, I would love to see that. I would love to see a rock version of that song, like for real. God, I love that song. Jesus, bro, that's almost like a perfect cut of Tippy Toes.
XG first words are the first half. Ready?
She fucked it up a little bit. Harvey, you are forbade from dancing.
Alpha's dancing.
Shake. Alphas.
谢谢。
Off to the next stop, Beijing. Man, those are like 2 cell phones. That's how important mine is.
そんなバナナ。あとは US とヨーロッパ。その後来年に日本に戻る。
Oh, they did this before the US tour.
マジで楽しかった。
Okay.
いろんな国にいろんなさ地域に行くことによってさ、もっと自分たちもさ音楽としてもっとこういうとこ成長したいなみたいな。
わかる。
だからそれがめっちゃ良かったなって。その地域に合わせたさ、
Yep,
連とかもさ、みんなで考
yes.
えたりする。そういうのもさ、なんかワールドツアーならしかできない学びだよね。
あとなんかさ、私結構さ、単語とか教えてもらうやん。
カードエッセイのやつ。
それ本当にめっちゃいい文化だと思う。しか
Oh,
もアルフ
for
ァーズが
sure, bro.
マジでおしゃれなことに気がついた。本当おしゃれで、本当におしゃれ。
Sharing each other's culture, dude, that's what brings understanding. You bridge the gap between so many cultures, and music is like in the middle of it, dude. Music is just it can bring so many people together. Soundcheck.
これスクリーンがでかいのか。圧がやばい。待って、鳥かと思った。扇風機も回ってたの鳥かと思った。
ベイジンです。おはようございます。はい。Good morning. 最後さ、宇宙系でメージンで歩いていくじゃん。この列でなるべく揃えてからやった方がいい。
Still worried to make sure she doesn't get.
오케이. 핸드사인 같은 게
중간에 이거 하는 거는
이거
상관없어요. 괜찮아요.
오케이. 멤버
This is probably the first time I've heard Simon in any of their like behind the scenes videos saying anything. He usually just lets them manage themselves.
一人でもこの狼、これです。犬を強調する。これなんかジェスチャー出したら狼、こんな普通犬だって思ってるやつだけど、我々の狼。
皆さんこれは狼でお願いします。
10-4. It's a wolf, not a dog.
あげた方がはいはい。ちょっとなんか軽めにさっき言った聞こえないですって言ったぐらいにしとくか、もし
そうですね。その方が外音は絶対にクオリティがある。なので、
アルファーズ熱いよね。
任します。
Oh god, more food. I just got through watching like their XG Tries American Food video and it made me hungry, and now I'm seeing even more food and it's making me even more hungry. Man, kiwi's fire. Time flies when you're having fun.
今日は北京合ってたベイジンいろんなね地域のアルファーズにたくさん本当に幸せですね。ありがとう。みんな可愛いです。そう、みんな可愛いの。どこのアルファーズもみんななんかキュートでおしゃれで素敵大好き。アルファーズもさいっぱいさメイクしたりさコスプレしたりさしてるからすごい嬉しいよね。だからひーちゃんみたいな人が今いて、もうひーちゃん水色ね、そうやりやすいのかな。ひーちゃんのコスプレして。
Man, this makeup reminds me of Hinata's in Left Right. Cause she was wearing orange. Did she have orange hair too? Or was it just an orange outfit? I can't remember. Well, looking at that, that reminds me of Left Right.
なんかひなたちもみんな主人公、そういうことですね。一緒に楽しめている感じがすごくいいですね。アルファーズなのでやっぱただ歌って高揚してっていうだけじゃなくて
And then Chisa got the orange hair.
文化に触れ合うっていうところ、文化に触れ合うっていうところ、文化に自分たちだけなんですから面白い。みんな笑ってくれてます。あ、本当ですか。よかったです。
Alphas，大家好，欢迎大家参加试音会活动。
Oh, so that's what it is. It's a sound check party. Okay. I'm assuming you got to be like, you know, VIP tickets. I wonder if they do any like autograph signing parties, you know, like for VIP people.
祝 XG 的成员演出顺利，然后希望得到大家的欢呼，然后喜爱。
加油！欢迎来北京。
Fighting.
頑張ってね。
頑張ってね。お。
XG 頑張ってください。
祝一切顺利，加油！加油！我爱 XG， 我爱 XG， 我爱 XG。
北京だけじゃなくて多分 CR China のアルファーズの方たちの
Wow.
すごい。
Alphas, I wanna meet you right now, but we can meet 1 hour later. So I'm so excited right now. Thank you.
やばい、始めました。頑張ります。チャイナ、ベイジンですね。私今日のヘアとメイクのコンセプトがあります。ションマウです。パンダちゃんのコンセプトで今日はしてもらいました。最後なので頑張ってぶちかまクレイジーしてタジャハオって感じでやってきます。バイバイ。ニムフンパン。
Them Pirellis.
XG first words were the first half Beijing. Ready? 大家好，我们是 XG。想吃北京烤鸭。We want to hear your voices. Woo! Let me hear
She's crying.
Let's go to space. Heads it up. We promise we'll be back. This was XG.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait until they have another tour, man. I really hope they come anywhere close to Kansas City.
One, two, three. Okay, thank you.
谢谢大家来到。すげえ。いきます。3、2、1。やってください。漏れてると思います。ちょっとしゃがみすぎ。確かに。ちょっとガニだね。ちょっとガニだね。
Those are Polaroids, right? Like, Jesus, I can't believe they actually have cameras that even.
これで終わらせてください。エクストラ XG。いきますよ。いきますせーの。エクストラ XG。
Focus.
せーの。エクストラ XG。
いいじゃん。
僕やってた？やってたよ。
Yo, that's it. Man, 27 minutes goes by so quick. So quick. Man, all right, that was behind the scenes in China, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Beijing. All right, you guys, if you guys want me to check out the Osaka and Tokyo, I'm not sure if there was another one. I can definitely do that. You guys just let me know. Like I said, I've already looked at all the US ones, so I can definitely check out the ones in Japan. And I know they had the Tokyo Dome show. I think that all ended at the Tokyo Dome, I think, right? I know there's an entire live stream, like a 2-hour live stream of the entire show at the Tokyo Dome, I think. I don't know if I'll be able to do that one, but maybe I can find highlights of that one or something like that. I can do that as well. Just let me know. I definitely want to try to find Juria's solo of Lauryn Hill song. I gotta look for that for sure. I gotta look for that because I'm excited to see that. I want to see that. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with this video and the other videos that I just recently post. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all the subscribers. I recently got a ton of subscribers off of people on Instagram. If you guys are here watching the video, I really appreciate you guys coming from Instagram and checking out my videos and showing the support and love for other pack members. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys keep howling and stay safe out there.